it don't look good. Hey, Jamie, look like a camcorder when I was a fucking kid, man, when they come out with them. It don't look good. Y'all fuzzy looking. I got you in your moment of weakness right there. Ride it! Poke a hole. Shit. Don't be scared. Put it in the hole. Break it, Jamie. Break it, Jamie. Right there. Hey. We're bored. This is the first bit of work we've got out of this man since he fucking worked here. Due to me having his fucking phone. Woo! Do it, do it! I'm scared. Come on, Jamie! Motherfucker's scared of a little fire. Don't show this to your kids. Don't know that you have no brass.